PLUG stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now, as the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos, 44 actually, and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And mainly it's all documented on my YouTube channel. But ultimately speaking, it was such a sick demand zone and we punctured through it. You know, we absolutely did not follow it. So what I'll do here is just get, I mean, since it's a one break, it doesn't really matter. This could easily just be a fake out, right? My idea is still going to be exactly the same. Nothing is going to change. But the biggest factor here is once you open next week and if it keeps melting, then it's a whole different game, right? This one break can easily be just like a fake out. So in this case, if it starts pumping, this is my exact idea. So I'm not going to assume stuff. I'll more so react to whatever the price is going to give me. And this has been my premise for a very long time. It's been working very good. Now, I do have a lot of receipts in the Discord. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.